Hi, boys and girls, it's Mrs. Montalvo. I just wanted to go over what our reading this week is going to be. We're going to practice all of our strategies. Now that we know them all, we need to know how to use them when we're reading our books. So when you get stuck on a word when reading, think of our friends. We have Lips the fish, we have Eagle Eye, we have our Stretchy Snake, our Chunky Monkey, and our Skippy Frog. So do you remember what each one of them say? Let's review. So Chunky Monkey. We look for chunks and small words, you know. So if you look at the word chunk, we know that this unk, because we know all about word families. So bunk, trunk. So that's the word chunk. And then we have the small family with the all. So ball, tall, fall. So that's a word we know as well. So now I'm going to try and use Chunky Monkey for this sentence. I might not be sure of that word, but I know that we did the ache family. So I ache, wake up in the morning. Let's see if I'm right. And it looks like that bear's waking up in the morning. So I see another chunk in this sentence. Is this, and I know this word family because we did that too, ook. So this book is about heroes. Looks like I'm correct. So that's Chunky the Monkey. Now when we use our eagle eye, we look at the pictures. The pictures help us, give us clues. So I can be an, now this is a really big word and I might not be sure what that word means. So let me take a look at what my picture looks like. And I know he's in space, and I know what we call those people that go to space are astronaut. I can be an astronaut. I will have a, those are all sight words I know, but now this word might be a little bit tricky. That's a big word. I might not know what it is, so I'm going to use my eagle eye to help me. So it looks like this is the Earth, and this I know is a spaceship. So I will have a spaceship. Now Skippy the Frog. So Skippy the Frog says the first sound, and then he skips over the word. Then he rereads it. So let's practice Skippy. I like p. I don't know what that word is, so I'm going to skip over it. I like p on my pizza. Let me think. What could I have on my pizza that starts with the p sound? Let me take a look. Pepperoni. That's right. I can eat pepperoni on my pizza. Now we can look with our eagle eye and we can see that boy's eating pepperoni pizza. I have I don't know what that is. In the morning. Now I know in the morning I have breakfast with my family. Let's see if that's right. I have breakfast in the morning. Now let's use our eagle eye to make sure we're right. Looks like he's eating breakfast. Bacon and eggs and orange juice and toast. Now Lips the fish. We make the first sound right away. So get your lips ready. My dog likes to what could my dog like to do that starts with the f sound? When I throw a ball, my dog fetch, is it? Let's see if that's right. You can use our eagle eye to help us figure it out. Oh, and it looks like that guy's throwing his stick for the ball. Bats live in Now I need to think about, what do I know about bats? Bats live in caves. I think bats live in caves. Let's check. Bats live in caves. Oh, and there with my eagle eye, I can see that bat is hanging upside down in a cave. Stretchy snake. This is one of our favorites, where we stretch out the sounds and then we blend them together, just like we do in phonics every morning. I see kids on the swing. Swings. Let's see. Oh, there's my kids on the swings. These words are a little bit tougher to stretch out. Jack, and I knew that has a digraph in it. We were talking about digraphs. Jack pulls a wagon. Jack pulls a wagon. Oh, and there's Jack pulling his red wagon. And remember, Trying Lion says, if one strategy doesn't work, try another and another. Just keep trying. So for your reading today, when you're reading on Raz-Kids or you're reading in a book that you have at home, you're going to practice using one of your strategies. I'm going to have this on your Google Classroom. So you're going to be able to write the word in here that you didn't know, and then which strategy did you use? Did you use Lips the fish? Did you use your eagle eye? Did you use Stretchy snake? Did you use Chunky monkey? Or did you use Skippy the frog? Have a great day. I look forward to seeing your work.